reports 2,443 new COVID-19 cases, 32 deaths in last 24 hours. The US and Israel worked together to track and kill a senior Al-Qaeda operative in Iran earlier this year. In disputed enclave of Nagorno-Karabakh, residents have started withdrawal under peace agreement between Azerbaijan and Armenia. 15 countries signed a sprawling Asian trade deal today in Sunday. In Romania, 10 people have been killed after fire broke out at a hospital treating coronavirus patients. In Afghanistan, 3 army officers have been killed in the latest targeted killing in country capital Kabul on Sunday. India's capital awakes to severe smoke as revealers defy cracker ban. Flooding turns town cities in Philippines into ocean.